Well, guys, check out the new bumper. How about that? That's pretty shiny. So we will have, we're going to put some Phoenix strobes there where the floodlights would go, or fog lights, I guess. Man, that looks good. So we're supposed to go to Atlantic Imaging, I believe Friday, for them to wrap the bumper with the oversized load sign. And then we're gonna go get the truck polished, get all the wheels polished, all the fenders, the tanks, DPF cover, stacks, drop visor, you name it. We're gonna get this baby shined up, get it ready to go to South Dakota, pick up our hydraulic stinger, and get to moving some high-paying freight. Really low-paying freight, but freight rates have come up pretty good a little bit, which is a good thing. I just thought I'd stop by here and show you guys the new bumper that we've been waiting on. You can see how nasty the truck is. Definitely needs some polishing. Really happy with the bumper. That looks really nice. Really nice. Got this from Valley Chrome, California. We'll have to put us some chrome caps on these here bolts on the toe pin. Man, that looks really good. Really good. Very happy with that. That is 18 inch, 2 inches thick, all stainless steel. Not sure if magnets will stick to it yet, but we're gonna wrap it, so we don't really care about that. You know, lots of people tell me, oh, you can't put a wrap on there, you'll get a ticket. You can't always have your oversized load signs on. Yeah, well, because we have a long deck, we're always oversized. We're over 75 feet. Always. So, got to do a little bit of housekeeping. Get cleaned up. Get the wheels polished. If he'll show up, they're definitely fixing to get some high polish put on them, cut and buff. All 8 axles, tanks, fenders. I'm gonna throw all these. So also, we're ditching these, and we ordered 2 new 4-inch strobes on pedestals from Trail King. They're gonna send us some engineered drawings, but what we'll do is they'll come on a little stem with a piece of flat bar with 2 holes. We'll drill and tap this so they'll bolt down right here. They'll plug in. Won't have no more of these terrible magnets that don't work. That was my error when I ordered the trailer, but we're getting it resolved. Also going to drill and mount our spring mounted flags and do away with these. We'll get all of that here shortly in the coming week. We're going to be headed to South Dakota, truck and trailer, to pick up the Stinger. They'll have it for a day or two because they got to do some plumbing to tie into our existing hydraulics. We'll get all of this dunnage off of here, all this cribbing, throw it out. This is all junk here other than our outrigger boards. We're going to cut them down to about 4 foot long, run just enough to be able to get under an articulated truck. And yep, other than that, we've greased the trailer, put some Schaefer's 238 grease in there. We've got to put our grease fitting caps on that we have. We don't have them with us. I am driving my son's 4Runner because I was in a car wreck in my F350, run into the back of a straight truck with a lift gate on the rear, totaled my truck out, and tried to order a new Ford F350 through my fleet account with Ford, and they told me that Ford has been built. Well, they said, Mr. Taylor, do you realize that Ford has not built a vehicle in over 3 months? They're now building respirators. And the companies that supply the automotive parts to the manufacturer are building respirator parts. So anyway, I'm on a wait list now. Won't get a pickup until, they told me, the week of Christmas. Now that's a long wait, but that's what we're doing. There are a few Super Duties out there, but we're coming into a model year change. I could really use the depreciation, write it off our taxes, and so we're gonna wait. So I'm driving my kid's 4Runner that I bought him because he's a really good kid and I really wanted him to have something reliable. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. That's where we're at. And soon you'll see this baby polished out, cut and buff all the way around. It's going to look magnificent. Already looks magnificent, but it's a little dirty. Of course, it is a work truck. It's not a show truck. We just like pretty things. Hot brunettes, orange trucks, fast boats, good tools, and prime ribeye beef. As the old saying used to go, ass, grass, or cash, nobody rides for free. My new saying is cash, ACH, or ass, nobody rides for free unless you got ribeyes. So that's it. We're out of here. Just wanted you guys to see the bumper. We'll try to do a video of them installing the wrap. And it's going in Friday, I believe. So that's where we're at. We're gonna order the strobes today so we can get those put in. Will look very good. Dude out.